Good evening, class. My name is Alberto Lara, and I'm a vet tech student in VTHT 2223-31420, also known as Clinical Pathology 1. Today, our AVMA required video is to clean a common lab equipment, and I chose to calibrate, clean, and maintain the refractometer, also known as the total solids meter. I thought I wanted to include that because I really liked saying that instead of refractometer. Okay, so to begin, I'm gonna go ahead and go over the different parts of the refractometer. This right here is called our eyepiece. This piece is able to be turned to focus it for the technician that's using it. This is called the mirror tube. This is our adjustment screw. This is what we'll use if our refractometer is not calibrated. This is called our cover plate. And right here, this piece is our prism covered glass. Okay, so now that we know all the parts of our refractometer, we're gonna go ahead and dive into calibrating it. So you would want to go ahead and lift the lid first for the refractometer. You're gonna use distilled water at room temperature between the range of 60 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The book says to apply 1 to 2 drops on the prism glass cover. Okay, 1 big drop of distilled water. You're gonna go ahead and close it. Notice the disbursement of it under both sides, both lenses. Okay, and then to look into it, you do want to put it at a light source. We're inside the treatment room right now, so we're gonna use the artificial light. You can also point it at natural sunlight if you have a nice window in your clinic. So right now, since I was turning it, it is unfocused, so I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it so that way I see the focus image. Okay, and I got it. So I now see that it is calibrated at 1.0. So that means that we have a 0 refractive index. So it is calibrated. So that's good news. Now we're gonna go ahead and clean it. Okay, so you would just and I do want to remind you that you would clean it after every use. You're gonna go ahead and take a piece of lint-free lens tissue. You're going to wipe down the glass, the prism cover glass, and now you would go ahead and wipe the cover plate. Okay, you now have a clean refractometer. Just to go ahead and mention this, that what the book does mention is that some manufacturers of refractometers do suggest cleaning with alcohol. Ours is not one. Me and my classmate did read our manual, and it is saying do not use alcohol. So now going into the maintenance, you want to just make sure that you take really quality, good care of it to make sure that you don't harm the lab equipment. So keeping it in its proper storage would be one of the best ways of maintaining it. So I'm closing it, locking it, and I'm gonna go ahead and store it in the cabinet where we keep our refractometer. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I'll see you later in the semester.